Look how messy my why my hangers look like they've been fighting each other. At least the clothes is clean because I have a mess up here. Mess of my jewelry that I have not organized. Stuff down here. Whole mess. Welcome back to another video. My name is Amy and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day, and for today's video I'm going to be cleaning my closet. My closet has been a mess the past month because Christmas, Thanksgiving, not Thanksgiving, New Year's, it's just been a mess. And I just been piling stuff up. I bought new things and I just been piling everything up, so I need to clean my closet. It's well needed. If you need to clean your closet, go ahead and get up so we can clean our closets together, because I know your closet needs to be cleaned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I don't even know where to start, but I'm starting to close because it's on the floor. Okay guys, so my clothes is fixed. It took a long time, but I got it done. I usually try to put like my workout clothes right here, my pants, jeans, my shirts, coats, skirts, dresses back here, and my tee. Oh, you guys see my shirt? Next part I'm going to clean and organize is right here because I have like a mess. I'm gonna wipe down the shelf, take everything out. This whole buying me stuff that I couldn't get when I was little is getting out of hand. Here's my phone cases. Do I need this much? No. Do I use them all? Yes. I try to change my phone case often. And I have nails. The nails over here. Put them right there. I have some lashes from Dollar Tree. I love wispy lashes. There's only 3 pairs. I'll put them right here. Right there. Oops. And I keep my cases from my sunglasses that I get from Shein because I feel like they're like good material, and in case I take a pair in my bag or something. These little baggies. But girl, do I need all these baggies? I'm just gonna keep one. Sometimes you gotta let things go. I'm just gonna keep one, okay? And I'm just gonna put it back here with the sunglasses. These are my everyday sunglasses, but I haven't put them in my bag because no hay sol, there's no sun. So where am I gonna put them? And these. Right there. Just gonna put them right there. Some hair clips. I have some in my bathroom, but I have a lot in there, so these I'm just gonna put them in here. Charger stuff. Just gonna put it in here. Guys, look at this cute El Chavo del Ocho. If you grew up watching El Chavo del Ocho, comment down below. Who was your favorite? My favorite was El Chavo del Ocho and La Chilindrina. This is so cute. I got it from work. So I'm gonna take this stuff so I can clean up here. It gets dusty real quick. And I have some gift cards that I got from Christmas and my birthday that I have to use. When are we going shopping? Now that it's clean, I'm gonna put my sunglasses up here. And they're looking a little crooked. Like that. My sister gave me this mirror for my birthday. I need to wipe it down, but I'll put it up here. I printed a picture of my vision board and I put it in this little frame. It's supposed to go like this, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Put it right there. So this is how it looks up here. Looks way better. I still can put stuff down here. Now onto this side. It's a mess, but I'm going to organize my shoes. I got these from Burlington. They're like my everyday shoes for work or to run errands. They're really comfortable. I got these New Balances. I bought them for me for my birthday and they're really comfortable. I really love these and I cannot wait to get some more. For my birthday, I got me these. I really want the Converse platforms, but they didn't have them that day, so I got these to wear them more often. As you can tell, I wore these plenty of times and they're comfortable, but I really want the Converse as well. So apparently 3 pairs of shoes don't fit down here, so I'm gonna put these right here, these down here, put these up here like that. That's how it looks. I got some new heels, like these white heels, and these white heels are so comfortable and they're like square down here. These are really comfortable. I'm gonna get them out the box because I really don't like to keep the box. I'm just gonna put them right here. Organize these heels because Margie's been playing with my heels. These chanclas. I'm so over this cold weather. I really don't like summer either because it's really hot, but I prefer summer over winter. This is how it looks, organized. The third shelf, I have my prayer journal, and then this No Woman Left Behind. I have my book that I'm reading. It says I'm my perfect Mexican daughter. This other book that I'm trying to finish, and like little stickers for my planner. Nothing much. It's the best I could do because you have to like fill the bags up so they can, you know, a little handbag to put it down here because I really don't have nothing down there. So maybe I could fill these up with like handbags. Maybe. I'm trying to control myself with buying stuff. Hey, the moment I've been waiting for. Organize my jewelry because I have a lot. It's a mess. So I'm gonna start organizing my jewelry. Watch, I say I have so many stuff, and once I organize this, I'm gonna be like, oh, I need more. I know how I am, and I don't know why I'm like that. Before I start, let me show you guys what La Señora de la Mexicana bought me. We went to Mexico, you guys, look at this. These are like little magnets. Look at the Maria Galletas. That is so cute. And then she got me this mole platter. That is so funny. And it's like magnet. That is so cute. El mole de pollo. And then she got me this one. It's like galletas. It's like a moon pie, but de Mexico. Got me this bag of Ruffles magnets. That is so cute. And it feels like, and it looks like a legit ruffle bag. They even put stuff in there because it looks spongy. That is so cute. She got me this bracelet that has the mal de ojo. So pretty. And then she got me this bracelet that has Virgin Mary on it. Love it. She got me this necklace. It has the cross. And you wear it like that. Isn't it so pretty? Yeah, she loves me. So all my little hoops, I'm going to put them in here. I love these right here. These little chunky hoops. These are like becoming medium size. So I'm going to put them over here. I'm going to move these as well. Because this is supposed to be like the little ones. I have these right here. And they're like gold. And up here, and right here I have like the silver ones. So I'm going to put these right here. Actually, I'm going to move these since they're little up here. So I moved these up here. I got these little hoops from Shein almost a year ago and they still look good. These are like big hoops. Put them right there. I have these right here. Put them in there as well. These, and put them in here. I'm actually gonna move my nose rings up here. I need to stock up on more nose rings. And I have these real big ones. They don't fit. So I'm gonna put them down here with the necklaces since I already don't have a lot of necklaces. Okay, so put it right there. And I got this anklet. I forgot about these hoops. I'll put them in here. And I have these two bracelets. Move these hoops over here and put my bracelets in here. Like that. And this bracelet in here as well. And then up here, my rings. I got this silver ring that has the evil eye. Put it in here. Then I got this ring that has the letter A. Put it have my nose rings over here, which I need to get a lot more. My little gold earrings, silver, my rings. I need to get more rings. Then right here I have like my medium-sized hoops, studs, hoops, little hoops. I have bracelets right here. I need to get more necklaces, these big hoops, and my anklets. Maybe I can get more anklets as well. But yeah, that's my jewelry for right now. Finally organized because it was looking a hot mess. Over here, nothing has changed. When I go to Bath and Body, I'm gonna ask them if they can sell me a lid because it's bothering me that this one doesn't have a lid. Nothing has really changed over here. It's the same fragrances if you have watched my videos. But if you haven't, this is the Ariana Cloud Ari by Ariana. This Brazilian Crush. It smells so good. It smells really, really good. Then this one's from Victoria's Secret, the Warm and Cozy. It's soft vanilla, toasted coconut, passion fruit. And this one's champagne toast. Just put it down here so when I get a lid, it looks cute. My little body candle right here. This is how this shelf looks. Closet looks organized. I can finally see my floor again. Way more organized. This is the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and it motivates you to get up and clean your closet because this was well needed. It was a mess. I couldn't even see my floor, and finally everything's organized, and I am hoping that it stays this way. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.